Hey y'all, it's your girl Itschaybabii, and today I'm coming at you with a new video. So today I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine because I think I improved. I think my skin is good enough to show y'all what I do and what I've been doing. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you do for a skin routine, you need a cleanser. You need toner, and you need moisturizer. I use the Itschaybabii Radiant cleanser. It's the same thing as Aveeno, but this costs less. It's the same exact thing because I had the same exact one from Aveeno. The toner I use is the I don't know how to say that. Thayer's witch hazel. You know, witch hazel. It's like a tiny bit love. I need to go back to Ulta and get another one, but when I'm really gonna get it, I don't know. Probably never. And the moisturizer I use is, so I can't find my coconut oil. I used to use that and a cream. I'm using the body butter from Brandless. This is really good. It has barely no scent and it's really smooth on my skin. In the morning, it got me feeling glossy. But since I can't find my coconut oil, I'm gonna use a couple drops of baby oil. I know what you're thinking, but it never clogged my pores. It never gave me acne. It's actually made my skin pretty smooth. Alright, so one thing I used that really helped me with my skin was a spin brush. Now, a spin brush I feel like is really mandatory because it really gets deep into my skin. It really gets all the dirt out instead of using your fingertips because this is only like going to the surface. These little brushes are getting in and exfoliating the dead follicles off your skin and all the dirt and all that bullshit. So this is what it looks like. You can get it anywhere, like $5, $10. You can get more expensive ones if you want to. But I got this one. It does the job. It came with 2 brushes from Walmart. It's battery operated. And it spins. Pew, pew, pew. Sorry. Let's get started. So it's turn on the water. I have to turn on the water and I make sure I wet this. I always clean it like before I do anything. So, and I use warm water. And this looks good. I use warm water. And then, oh wait, I have mascara on. Oh god. Alright, let me take this mascara off real quick. So I'm gonna actually wet my face when this water gets hot. Any day now. Alright, it's warming up. Let me take these off. I hate when like wet scrunchies and braces is on me. Alright, what I'm gonna do is just wet my eyelashes and take the mascara off. And I go like this to soften it out. How scary, right? And sometimes the mascara get on my eyeball. And I gotta like touch my eye to get it out. Like, I really hate that. If anybody else knows a better solution to get mascara off your face, please let me know. Alright, so now that's done and I look like I got beat up and was in a freaking war. I'm gonna wet my brush. Sorry, I ended it by accident, but yeah, I look crazy right now, but it's fine. So after I wet my brush, I'm going to put 2 pumps. I always put 2 pumps. And you turn it on. I turn on like the lowest setting because the highest one be like freaking killing you. Today I only had freaking concealer on. So I didn't even have that much makeup on. I barely do my eyebrows anymore because they're getting way too thick. They grew in so much. so I don't have to do them anymore, like fill them in. All right, now when you look at it, you can see the dirt and the makeup in the brush. It's gross. So yeah, let's do this. So I rinse off the brush really good, make sure all the soap is out. Then just rinse it off. All right, now I'm gonna head back to the room and dry my brush. All you do is take a towel and just like press it on it like that till it's dry. It dries pretty quickly, so I'll see you then. All right, so I'm back in the crib. I'm back in my room and I'm gonna tone my face now. If you notice, I look way paler now. Although I got melanin in my skin and I'm just dry, ashy. That's what I mean. So what I do is take a cotton round, that's what it's called, and take my toner, you know, and just get your lid, you dump it, and just go like this. And the thing is that some people's skin are, you know, more sensitive to toner, so just be more aware of how hard you wipe this on your face. And the thing is that this takes extra dirt off your face that you never knew you had on. No matter how much you wash your face, you always got something on there. Look at that. Even though I clean my face, look at that. All right. So this really like evaporates right off your face. So what I do next for my moisturizer, I'm gonna take the body butter by Brandless. It smells so good. It's like such a natural smell. It's like a coconutty smell. It's kind of thick, so I'm not trying to apply too much. Is Daddy home? So after that, this kind of makes your skin looking really matte. Look. Ow. So after I put that on my face, I'm gonna take a couple drops of oil. Things that I have really dry skin, so I have to moisturize. I'm only gonna take like that much, like 3 drops, because it's oil. And you go like this. And the rest I just wipe my hand, you know, a little ashy. The next thing I usually do is brush my eyebrows because the water makes my eyebrows like kind of not curly but like wavy. And the last thing I do is moisturize my lips because, you know, you don't want to go to bed with ashy lips and wake up in the morning with cracked up, dried up lips. Definitely, it's about to be winter very soon, so you want to moisturize. So I'm just gonna take my Blossom lip gloss. I mean, I could have used like lip balm, but this smells so good. I forgot where I got it from. Oh, Five Below. It costs like $3. And me, I exfoliate my lips when I wash my face. I can do that in a different video. Show you guys how to exfoliate your lips. So this is what my skin looks like at the end of the day. After I wash my face, tone and moisturize. Alright, so I hope you like this video. It's pretty simple, easy. It's easy to maintain, you know, your skin. Just wash your face, tone, moisturize, that's it. And drink water. All right, so I see you guys next time. Peace. Good night.